Hello children, today we are going to learn geography. In this video, we are going to solve the question answers which are given in the exercise of lesson number 4, weather and climate. Children, before we start, if you have not seen the lesson video of weather and climate, watch that first, because without it you won't understand this video. So children, link is given in the description. First, check out that video. So children, let's start. Question number A, who I am. Children, your description is here. With the help of this description, identify who is it. First description, I keep on changing. So children, we had learned that the condition of given point of time is described as a weather, and weather is keep on changing. We say that it was cold in the morning, it was hot in the afternoon, whereas the climate take a long period for the change, but weather is keep on changing. So children, answer of this question is weather. Second description, I am not the same at all place. So children, we had learned that weather is keep on changing, whereas the climate is take a long period for the change. But if we move from one region to another, we find the difference in the climate. Now we are in Mumbai and the climate of Mumbai is humid and dry. If we move to the Rajasthan, the climate will be hot. If we move to the Shimla, the climate will be cold. So description is here, I am not the same at all place, and the answer of this question is climate. Third description, I am the solid state of water droplet. So children, we had learned that the vapor in the atmosphere is condenses into the water droplet. If these water droplets are freeze, then the solid state of water are snow particle and hail. So answer of this question is snow particle and hail. Fourth description, I am present in the atmosphere in the forms of vapor. So children, this is vapor in the atmosphere create humidity. This air is called humid air, and this humidity in the atmosphere is called moisture. That means that moisture is present in the atmosphere in the forms of vapor. So answer of this question is moisture. Next, question B. Answer the following. Number 1. Why is the climate of Mahabaleshwar cool? So children, we had learned that the height of a place above the sea level affect its temperature. The earth's surface get heated due to the heat from the sun. The air layer close to the surface of the earth get heated first, and later one by one the other layers of air at higher elevation start heating up. Hence, as we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of air start decreasing. And the Mahabaleshwar is hill station, and it's located at high altitude above the sea level. Hence, the climate of Mahabaleshwar is cool. Next question, question 2. Why is the climate near the sea humid? So children, seawater get evaporate due to the heat of the sun, and thus this water vapor get mixed in the air. We had learned that the air with the high temperature contain large amount of moisture, and the air near the sea with the higher temperature hold large amount of moisture. This moisture in the atmosphere is called humidity. So, as a result, the climate near the sea is humid. Next, question 3. What is the difference between the weather and climate? So, children, we had learned that the short-term condition of the atmosphere at the certain place is known as a weather, whereas the long-term and average weather condition of the region is known as a climate. So children, let's find out some main points of difference between the weather and the climate. First difference, weather is described on the basis of the condition prevailing given at the time. whereas the climate is described on the basis of the condition prevailing over a longer period of time. Weather is the short term condition of the atmosphere and the climate is the long term condition of the weather. Second different, weather is keep on changing frequently, whereas the change in the climate take place over a long period of time. Third different, we can experience the change in the weather very easily, whereas we cannot perceive the change in the climate as easily. So children, this is the difference between the weather and the climate. Next, question 4. What are the elements of weather? So children, we had to learn all the elements of weather which are effect on the weather. All these elements also affect on the climate too, because weather and climate, they has a difference but they are correlated. So here the elements of weather are temperature, air pressure, wind, moisture and precipitation. So these are the elements of weather. Next, question number 5. What effect do nearness to the sea and the height above mean sea level have on the climate? So children, let's see first the effect of the nearness to the sea on the climate. So children, we had to learn that the sea water get evaporate due to the heat of the sun, and thus the water vapor get mixed in the air. Thus, the air near the sea with the higher temperature hold large amount of moisture. As a result, the climate near the sea is humid, but as we move away from the sea, the moisture contained in the air gradually become a decrease and the climate become a dry. So children, this is the effect of the nearness to the sea on the climate. The climate near the sea is humid, but as we move away from the sea, the climate become a dry. Let's see effect of height above mean sea level on the climate. So children, we know that the earth's surface get heated due to the heat of the sun. Thus, the air layer close to the surface of the earth become hot, and then the heat get transferred vertically to the adjacent upper layer of the earth. Thus, as we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of air decrease. Hence, the temperature of the place at the higher altitude from the sea level is lower than the temperature of the place at the lower height. So children, this is the effect of height above mean sea level on the climate. The temperature of the place at the higher altitude from the sea level is lower and the temperature of the place at the lower height is higher. So children, the places as Shimla, Manali, Mahabaleshwar, Mathiran, all these places are located at the higher altitude from the sea level. Their climate is cold, therefore all these are hill stations. Next, question C. For the climatic condition mentioned in the table, name the representative places known to you. So children, in this table mention the climatic condition and we will find the names of the places for this climatic condition. So let's start. First climatic condition is hot. So children, you can see the map on the screen. In this map you can see the Rajasthan or Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. And children, we are know that the some part of this region it is desert. Therefore, the climate of this region is hot. So children, the climate of Rajasthan or Jaipur is hot. Therefore, we are going to write down the name for the hot climate is Jaipur or Rajasthan. Next climatic condition is hot and humid. So children, we had to learn that the climate near the sea is humid because of the nearness of the sea. All the places in the coastal region, their climate is humid. So children, see in the map, our Mumbai is located in the coastal region, and also the latitudinally Mumbai is located in torrid zone. Therefore, the climate of Mumbai is hot and humid. So now we are going to write down the name for the hot and humid climate is Mumbai. Next climatic condition is cold. So children, we had to learn that the climate of all the hill station at the higher altitude above from the sea level is cold. Shimla, Manali, Mahabaleshwar, all these are hill station and all these are located at the higher altitude above from the sea level. The climate of this hill station is cold. So children, write down the name for the cold climatic condition is Shimla. Next climatic condition is hot and dry. So children, we know that the climate near the sea is humid. As we away from the sea, the climate become dry. So children, see in the map location of Nagpur. Nagpur is located far away from the sea. Therefore, the climate of Nagpur is hot and dry. Next climatic condition is cold and dry. So children, see in the map the location of Punjab. Punjab is located at somehow higher altitude from the sea level. Therefore, the climate of Punjab is cold and also it is located at the far away from the sea. Therefore, the climate of Punjab is dry too. So children, write down the name for this climatic condition is Punjab. Next, question D. Complete the table. So children, here give the tables. In this table give the point related to the weather and the climate. Understand the correlation between 2 points and then complete the table. First point given here, short-lived condition of atmosphere means weather. Then long-lived condition of atmosphere means climate. Second point, in the climate does not change quickly. In the weather is changed quickly. Third point, in the weather is expressed with the respect to the specific place. In the climate is expressed with the respect to a specific region. It is also expressed as a cold and dry or a hot and humid or a hot and dry and etc. Next point, in the climate, the elements of climate: temperature, pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. These are the elements of climate. We had to learn about the elements of weather. So elements of weather are temperature, air pressure, wind, moisture and precipitation. So children, here we had to complete all the question answers. Write down these question answers and also revise it again. Thank you.